Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Meijer, and Meijer has like two ads going on. They have like their normal ad, and the other one is good deal days. I think that's what it's called. It starts today, it runs through like a whole another week. I guess it's like bonus deals. Some of them are actually really good and some of them are just okay. But there are three deals from there that I'm gonna mention, but we have tons of stacking offers, plus the buy 5 save 5 starts today, so that's super awesome. But that's all I gotta mention. Without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. All right, we're gonna start off with some Akin clearance. I've actually tried some of these recently. I tried these. They're actually pretty good. I'm not a big fan of like peanuts or anything. I thought these would be more like peanut butter inside, but not actual peanuts. But I mean, it's not bad. Also, side note, I was so sad that the Premier Protein like lemon ones went on clearance at Walmart, and when they dropped, like they were gone instantly, and then like they were at $20 for the 12 pack, and then here they went down to $25, and they were sold out at that price. So I was kind of disappointed, and then I grabbed the Premier Protein from Amazon and Walmart the other day, which was insanely cheap, and I grabbed a lot, to be quite honest, but I'm so pumped. It just was meant to be. Just found this beard balm. I've never heard of this brand, but there's clearance on almost all of them. Some of them are over 50% off. Some of them are kind of close to 50. This week, PG also started a promotion. There's a digital coupon for this. For spend $25 on beauty and household, you'll get $5 off instantly, which should stack with a buy 5 save 5. So if you wanted to grab only PG items and grabbing 5 for at least $25, the $5 will come off. Or if you're grabbing a few of the buy 5 save 5, they'll track towards the spend $25 in PG. Easy deal on these Garnier color sensations. These are like the color sachets, or whatever you want to call them. They're like a root retouch little packet. It is $4.09. We have a $1 digital coupon, making it $3.09. Great deal on the U by Kotex liners. You're going to look for the 50 count. They are $4.09. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.09 at the register. Then you'll take your receipt, submit it to ibotta for $1 back, making it $2.09. This week we have really easy savings on cat food. So it's Purina dry cat food. As long as you're purchasing 2 or more products, you'll get $5 off instantly when spending $25. Also on the Tidy Cat stuff, it is spend $30, get $10 off instantly. So mix and match and grab your favorite Tidy Cats cat litter. One deal I really like from the good deal days is Meijer brand dog chews are like the rawhide or rawhide free ones. Buy one get one for $1. You can grab some really good savings because some of them are really expensive. So the Busy Bone or the Beggin treats are buy one get one 50% off. I'm actually going to grab 2 of them. I have a $1.75 only for you digital coupon, so it'll make great savings. So if you want to grab laundry detergent with that spend $25, get $5 off for PG. Here's some of the deals you can grab. So you can grab this medium size scent beads. They are on sale for $9.99. Or you can grab the larger ones that are on sale for $15.99 with the $3 digital coupon. But the best way to do this is to grab the Downy Boutique Botanicals. They're on sale for $15.99. There's a $6 digital coupon. I smelled a couple of them. Kind of not a fan of these ones, but I'm more of a fan of the Downy Unlimited Collection Unstoppables. There's the this one or the purple one. I prefer this one out of all the ones I smelled because I think I can smell the honey a little bit in that one, and I like the smell of honey. But with that $6 coupon, it'll be $9.99. You can grab some fabric softeners that are on sale for $9.99 with $2 coupon. You can grab some Tide Power Pods. They're on sale for $15.99 with a $3 coupon. Or you can grab the 57 count with that $3 coupon. Or you can grab the larger Tide liquid on sale for $15.99 with a $3 coupon. Or if you prefer Gain, these are on sale for $15.99 with a $3 coupon. Same with the Gain flings. So for just easy example, this would be like the cheapest way to do this deal is to grab one of the Downy Unstoppables, whether the Unlimited collection or the botanical ones, plus an item that's $9.99 on sale. Your total will be $25.98. We have that $6 coupon for that and the $2 coupon for whatever else you grab, plus the $5 PG spend booster. So it will make both items just $12.98. The other way to do this deal is to grab a detergent plus one of these, so your total for both of them will be $31.98. After both coupons come off plus the spend $25 on PG, it'll make them just $17.98 for both. Check your store for these Nature Valley Oats and Honey protein balls. They actually sound kind of decent. They're on clearance for $5.19, so it's a little too pricey for me, unfortunately. Easy deal on these Wonder glazed honey buns. You can actually grab most Wonder products over here, but this one is $2.89. We have a $1 digital coupon, making it $1.89. So there's a promotion going on, and it's spend $15, get $3 off, and it's on Kingsford Charcoal, Hidden Valley Ranch, and select Meijer chicken wings. But as long as you grab $15 worth of those products, you'll get $3 off. Plus, there's coupons for, I think there's a coupon for the charcoal. There's ibotta rebates for the ranch. I think there's Checkout51 as well. Well, since it's Meijer brand, there's no coupons. You might have an only for you kind of coupon that you can use for that, but that's some great savings. If you need some ketchup this week, look no further. Grab the red gold ketchup. It's on sale for $1.99, and we have a 75-cent digital coupon, making it just $1.24. If you need some sauces, the Sweet Baby Ray's, tons of them. Buy one, get one free, so you can mix and match. Starkist tuna, 4 for $5. These are great little snacks if you're trying to eat healthier because there's so many different flavors. Alright, so I finally found these. I love the Ghost energy drinks. I've never tried the cereal, and I haven't tried these protein bars. They're new. If you've tried them, let me know. We have like $2.50 on Ibotta. It's still like too expensive for me because I'm really cheap. Grab easy savings on Bush's baked beans. You can grab these larger cans. These are like the 1 pound. Jeez. Anyway, they're buy two get one free, and they're $2.89. Here's one of my favorite deals this week. So it's on the DiGiorno pizzas. They are buy two get one free, and included are the stuffed crust pizzas. They're $9.39. You can grab like the bacon and cheese ranch one, or this bacon one. Like, grab really, really good savings on the more expensive ones that we never get to save on. Or another really good option are the Fredericks by Meijer. They're also buy two get one free, and they have tons of different options. So like a grilled vegetable one if you're vegetarian, or they have like a mushroom and truffle one that sounds really good. Check your plant-based meat area. There's quite a few different clearance options. Now these I know are normally more expensive, and there's not as good of a deal on it as normal like we could get on other things, but they're 25% off, and some of them are actually part of the buy 5 save 5, so that might be an option for you. Meijer brand ground beef rolls are buy one get one 40% off, which can be great savings, especially on the really cheap ones or the really expensive ones. Great deal on the Meijer brand muffins. These are actually really good. My grandma buys these all the time. They are her favorite. They're buy one get one 50% off. Meijer brand pork chops, buy one get one for $1, or you can grab the stew meat that's pork but the buy one get one for $1. My store has these giant strawberries, 99 cents for one of the containers. These containers of blackberries are 2 for $1. I think that's amazing savings. I really wish I liked blackberries. We also have a really good deal on honeydew melon, or yeah, they're both honeydew. There's the golden or the large, I guess. They're buy one get one for $1, so they will be $5.99 for 2 melons. So Meijer started their buy 5 save 5 this week, so let's go over how to read one of the tags because they can be confusing if you're new. So we're going to look at the Doveman Plus Care FIFA 1. So right down here, this is the sale price. So it's regular $9.49. On sale it's $8.99. And then when buying 5 or more items, you can mix and match. You do not have to grab 5 of the same item. Your price will be the big bold one. So in this case, $7.99. But on the plus side, we can stack coupons with this. So for the Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray, we also have a $4 digital coupon that will stack, making after the sale price with the buy 5, save 5, just $3.99. All right, there's 2 more great men deodorant deals, literally all Dove. So you're gonna grab the Dove Men Plus Care Whole Body Deodorant, $11.99, and there's a $5 digital coupon, making it $6.99. Or you can grab the Dove Maximum Protection one, also $11.99. There's a $3 digital coupon for this, making it $8.99. Another really good and last deodorant deal is on the Degree. You can grab the men's or the women's. They're $4.79. So grabbing 2 of them will be $9.58. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon, making it $5.58 for both. I always feel like grabbing cotton swabs are a great option because I use them a lot, but the 375 count is just $1.50. You can get the plain 500 count for $1.89, or if you're brand loyal to Q-tips, the 500 count is $2.85. I'm also going to be grabbing the Finish Ultimate 11 count tab. They're $3.99, and I have $1 for only for you digital coupon that will stack with this. Another really good deal is the Lysol spray, $2.99, plus there's a 50-cent digital coupon. We have some Betty Crocker mixes for just $1.99 a box. You can grab the Velveeta mac and cheese, even the cute shapes ones for the 4th of July, $1.89, or we have the Kraft mac and cheese deluxe ones, $1.89. So the Oreos are part of the buy 5, save 5. And they're $3.99. I have $1 digital coupon, the only for you one. I really want to try the Oreo Reese's ones because I love Reese's, but I have no self-control and I would eat that whole package. A really good chip if you're trying to be healthier, and that's part of the buy 5, save 5, are the popcorners. They're actually really good, and for healthier chips, they actually taste really good. The queso is definitely my favorite. If you're looking for a second one, the white cheddar is also really good. I haven't tried the cinnamon though. That does sound good. Or even cheaper are the pop chips. These are also really good too. So a great way to save on yogurt is to grab the Oikos 000, grab the Dan and Light and Fit, or the Too Good. They're $2.99, so you can mix and match. And there's $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Stock up on some cheese. You can grab the Sargento products, $2.99, or you can grab these shareables. They actually look really good, just $2.99. The Dole salad kits are just $3.49. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went perfectly fine. Before I go into my receipt, though, I try not to judge people at all. I'm kind of bad at it sometimes, but this man was coming through with one of the smaller shopping carts. If you shop at Meijer, you know there's 2 different sizes. My store has 2 different sizes at least. And the top part of his small shopping cart was packed full of just clearance meat. I feel like he took every clearance package there was. When I browsed around, I only saw 2 10%, and that was it. It was packed full. I wanted to make a little sneak a little video, but I thought that was kind of rude and over the top. So I was like, whatever. Maybe he's got a lot of people to feed coming up on the 4th. Maybe he's got a big family. Maybe he owns a restaurant and they're out of meat. I don't know. But I was just like, holy buckets. Anyway, so I grabbed specifically 6 items for the buy 5, save 5 because I wanted to go over that. And then I grabbed the Degree for a purpose too. So we have the Degree deodorant right away. You can see that they both total that price. Takes off $1 on each one for the buy 5, save 5, and then it takes $2 off of each one for the digital coupon. Then the next item was a deodorant that was $8.99. It was the FIFA one, the men's FIFA, so it took off the $1 for the buy 5 save 5, and the $4 for the digital coupon. This was, oh, I can't even read that. The deodorant. Took off $3 for the coupon, $1 for the buy 5 save 5. Then we have the this deodorant I totally skipped over. This one was one of the deodorants, $5 coupon, buy 5 save $5. Then we have lastly, all the way down here, we have the last 6 item for the buy 5 save 5. So took off a $1 coupon, and then the $1 for the buy 5 save 5. You do not have to buy in increments of 5. You need to buy at least 5 items. A lot of people, I think it was last time or the time before, I don't know, I can't remember. There was a couple of people arguing. I got a couple messages on TikTok saying that you can't buy more than 5 items. It has to be in increments of 5. But I wanted to prove that. Anyway, then I grabbed the Purina. Oh, I bought strawberries. I only grabbed one because every time I buy strawberries, I don't know if it's specifically strawberries, because strawberries really the only fruit I actually buy, but they just go bad so fast. And I don't know if it's like, I try to buy ones that don't look like overly ripe or anything, and maybe it's my fridge. I don't know. So I only buy like what I'm going to eat in the next day or two. I've learned my lesson. So I grabbed 1 package of strawberries. Then I grabbed where is it? The dog treats. So they were buy one get one 50% off. So the $1.75 coupon, and then the 75% or 50% off price came off right there. So that's everything I grabbed, and then my total came to about $35 after everything is said and done. There's no rebates that I'm submitting for because I don't have any. I don't think. I didn't see any. Maybe I'm mistaken, but as far as I know, I don't have any. I submitted to Fetch, and nothing went through for Fetch, so that's good enough for me, I guess. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.